What if I told you these two modern Scandinavian homes have the exact same floor plan and the exact same amount of space? The only difference is the budget. One home was designed to be affordable without sacrificing style. The other pushes the same layout further with premium furniture, custom-built features, luxury finishes, and high-end lighting. So today, we're comparing a cheap versus expensive modern Scandinavian home to find out exactly where the extra money goes and whether spending more is actually worth it. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Let's begin with the living area. This cheap version focuses on warmth and simplicity. The seating area features 3-seater fabric sofa paired with a Scandinavian accent chair, creating a comfortable space for everyday lounging. A wood coffee table sits at the center, while a neutral area rug helps define the seating zone and adds warmth underfoot. Natural light is softened by sheer white curtains, complemented by a woven pendant light and a modern drum floor lamp near the window. The room is completed with a round side table, a fabric ottoman, and simple decorative pieces. Moving toward the TV area, the design stays intentionally simple. The space uses a floating TV console with a wood floating shelf above for simple display, giving the wall a clean and modern appearance. Then, a smart TV paired with a soundbar creates the entertainment center. Near the entrance is a shoe cabinet with an organic-shaped wall mirror above to make the corner feel welcoming. So, instead of relying on expensive materials, this design creates comfort through balanced colors, natural wood tones, and thoughtful lighting with an estimated total cost of around $3,650 to $4,100. Now compare that with the expensive version. The seating area features a curved designer sofa together with a designer lounge chair, giving the room a softer and more sculptural appearance. At the center, modern nesting coffee tables sit on a premium area rug that extends into the adjacent area, making the living room feel larger and more cohesive. For lighting, an LED cove ceiling with a PVC panel design, a modern designer chandelier, and a modern floor lamp create a stronger architectural statement. Natural light is framed by full-height ripple-fold curtains that make the windows appear taller and more elegant. The seating area is completed with round accent side table, a boucle ottoman, large indoor plants, and luxury decorative accessories. Moving to the TV area, it features a custom built-in entertainment wall with seamless cabinetry, elegant vertical paneling, display shelving, and integrated LED lighting. Then, a larger smart TV creates a more immersive entertainment experience. Nothing feels excessive. Instead, every detail works together to create a calm, refined atmosphere with an estimated total cost of around $8,000 to $10,000. Let's move to the dining area. This cheap version focuses on clean lines and everyday comfort. The dining area features a 4-seater wooden dining table paired with Scandinavian dining chairs, giving you a comfortable place for daily meals without taking up too much space. A neutral area rug helps define the dining area while adding warmth under the table. Above, a cone pendant light provides focused lighting for meals while also serving as a simple centerpiece. Behind the table, the wall stays minimal with a console table, 2 abstract framed artworks, LED picture lights, and a few simple decorative accessories that add personality without making the space feel crowded. So, this dining area feels warm by using simple furniture, soft colors, and a few well-chosen pieces, with an estimated total cost of around $1,700 to $2,100. Now let's see the expensive version. The first thing you'll notice is the oversized area rug from the living room extending into the dining area, as mentioned earlier. Then a 6-seater solid wood dining table paired with upholstered dining chairs gives you more comfort for everyday meals and when guests come over. The biggest difference appears on the feature wall. It features a full-height fluted wood accent wall combined with a large statement artwork and modern wall sconces, creating a stronger architectural focal point. Nothing feels overcrowded. Instead, every piece adds simple detail and a more polished look, creating a dining area that feels elegant yet comfortable, with an estimated total cost of around $6,000 to $7,000. Finally, let's see the kitchen. This cheap version focuses on functionality and everyday use. This kitchen uses an L-shaped layout with laminated base cabinets paired with matte laminated overhead cabinets, giving you plenty of storage while keeping the design clean and simple. The countertop features a speckled quartz countertop paired with a white subway tile backsplash that gives the kitchen a bright and timeless look. For lighting, under-cabinet LED strip lights and LED toe kick lighting make food preparation easier while adding a warm glow throughout the workspace. This also includes a simple, affordable fixtures and appliances that are perfect for everyday cooking. Simple accessories and indoor plants complete the space without adding unnecessary cost. So instead of adding expensive materials, this kitchen stays practical by combining durable finishes, efficient storage, and clean lighting, with an estimated total cost of around $6,500 to $7,800. Now let's look at the expensive version. The kitchen keeps the same L-shaped layout, but adds a breakfast bar that provides extra workspace and casual seating. It features custom soft close cabinetry finished with wood grain and matte panels, creating a more seamless appearance. The countertop and backsplash are upgraded to Calicotta quartz, giving the kitchen a brighter and more premium look. For lighting, pleated pendant lights, adjustable LED track lights, under-cabinet LED strip lights, and LED toe kick lighting work together to create a brighter and more layered lighting setup. It also includes built-in wine display, premium fixtures, and built-in appliances, making everyday cooking more convenient. The space is completed with designer bar stools, organized countertop accessories, decorative pieces, and large indoor plant that make the kitchen feel warmer and elegant. Premium finishes, built-in features, and smart lighting give this kitchen an elegant, functional look with an estimated total cost of around $15,000 to $18,000. Now, let's see the differences more clearly. They simply serve different priorities. The budget-friendly Modern Scandinavian Home focuses on maximizing value. It proves that clean lines, warm wood finishes, neutral colors, and thoughtful furniture placement are enough to create a welcoming home without overspending. The expensive version, Modern Scandinavian Home, on the other hand, takes those same principles and enhances them through custom cabinetry, layered lighting, premium materials, architectural details, and higher quality furniture. The floor plan never changed, the room sizes never changed, and the furniture layout stayed almost the same, yet the overall feel of each home is completely different. Whether you're working with a limited budget or investing in luxury finishes, thoughtful design is what truly makes a house feel like home. So, which Modern Scandinavian home would you choose? The cheap version, where smart design delivers incredible value, or the expensive version, where premium finishes create a more refined experience? Let us know your choice in the comments below. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.